coming to question number 6. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC. You can see this ABC is an isosceles triangle and this AB is equal to AC. Now this side BA is produced to D such that this AD is equal to AB, and we have to prove that this angle BCD is a right triangle. So first of all we will write what is given to us. Okay. AB is equal to AC, it is given, and BA is produced to be such that AD is equal to AB. Okay. Now what we have to prove? We have to prove angle BCD is equal to 90 degree. Angle BCD is a right angle means angle BCD is equal to 90 degree. Now prove. Now in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. This is given. This shows if AB is equal to AC, that angle ACB is equal to angle ABC. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. This is isosceles triangle property. Okay. Now, this is given कि AB is equal to AD. AB is equal to AD. This is given. AD is equal to AB or AB is equal to AD. This is also given. This AB is equal to AC and AB is equal to AD. Now, from this we can find out this AB is equal to AC and AB is equal to AD implies AD is equal to AC. Now, in triangle ACD, since AD is equal to AC, therefore AD के opposite is angle ACD is equal to angle ADC. Now angle ACD is equal to angle ADC. Suppose this is our first and this is our second. Adding 1 and 2, we will get angle ACB plus angle ACD is equal to angle ABC plus angle ADC. Now ACB plus ACD, ACB और ACD मिलके कौन सा एंगल बना रहे हैं? एंगल BCD. It is equal to angle ABC plus angle ADC. Okay, students. Now adding angle BCD to both sides. Now we are adding this angle BCD to both sides. We will get angle BCD plus angle BCD is equal to angle ABC plus angle ADC plus angle BCD. Now 2 times angle BCD. This angle BCD plus angle BCD will become 2 times angle BCD, and if we see this angle ABC, angle ADC and this angle BCD, they are the angles of the triangle DBC, and the sum of the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Okay, these 3 angles are the angles of the triangle DBC and their sum is equal to 180 degree by angle sum property of triangles. The angle BCD is equal to 180 upon 2, that is angle BCD is equal to 90 degree. That is angle BCD is a right angle. Hence proved. Now students, coming to question number 7. ABC is a right angle triangle in which angle A is equal to 90 degree and AB is equal to AC. We have to find angle B and angle C. So first of all we will draw this. Triangle ABC in which this AB is equal to AC and this angle A is 90 degree. Okay. So what is given? Angle A is equal to 90 degree and AB is equal to AC. Now we have to find angle B and C. To find angle B and angle C. Now this is the solution for this. Since AB is equal to AC, okay, this AB is equal to AC means this angle B will be equal to angle C. The angle B will be equal to angle C. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Okay. And angle A is given 90 degree. So in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree by angle sum property of triangle. Now angle A is 90 degree, angle B we don't know, and we can write in place of angle C we can write angle B because these two are equal. Angle B is equal to angle C because this is an isosceles triangle. तो हम angle B की जगह C की जगह angle B लिख सकते हैं is equal to 180 degree. So 2 times angle B will be equal to 180 minus 90. Angle B will be 2 times angle B is equal to 90 degree. Angle B is equal to 90 divided by 2 which is equal to 45 degree. तो अब एंगल B 45 है तो एंगल B is equal to angle C is equal to 45 degree. We have to find out angle B and C. The angle B is equal to angle C is equal to 45 degree, or you can write angle B is equal to 45 degree. Angle C is equal to 45 degree. This is the answer. Now coming to question number 8. We have to show that the angles of an equilateral triangles are 60 degree each. तो फर्स्ट स्टूडेंट सबसे पहले हम एक इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल बनाएंगे. Let this ABC is an equilateral triangle in which AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. This ABC is an equilateral triangle in which all the sides are equal. Equilateral means sides are equal. So that AB is equal to AC is equal to BC. Now, AB is equal to AC implies angle B is equal to angle C. जब AB is equal to AC है तो that means angle this B is equal to angle C by isosceles triangle property. Similarly, this CB is equal to CA. This CB is equal to CA means angle A is equal to angle B. The same isosceles triangle property. Suppose this is first and this is second. So from 1 and 2 we get angle B is equal to angle C and angle A is equal to angle B. B C के इक्वल है और A B के इक्वल है. इसका मतलब they all are equal to each other. Now from first and second we get angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C. Now in triangle ABC, okay, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree by angle sum property of triangles. Now we can write angle A in all the places because they all are equal. So angle A plus angle A plus angle A is equal to 180 degree. 3 times angle A is equal to 180 degree. That means angle A is equal to 180 upon 3, which is equal to 60 degree. तो हमारा एंगल A कितना आ गया 60 डिग्री. And we know angle A of B और C तीनों ही equal है. This implies angle A is equal to 60 degree. The angle B will also be equal to 60 degree and angle C will also be equal to 60 degree. Hence